Working with default templates. You can get your work done faster by starting from a professionally created template. Templates are presentation formats that can be saved to use for future presentations. They can be helpful to all students and staff when having to develop multiple presentations for class or business. Now I'm going to talk about how to use the default templates which are presented by PowerPoint 2007. Go to the Office button. Choose the New command. In the dialog box, the left side pane consists of two sections. The first one is Templates, which provides many default templates. And the next one is Microsoft Office Online, so we can download other templates if necessary. Click on the Installed Templates from the Templates section. After a few minutes, the default templates are displayed in the center pane, and the preview is shown in the right side pane. Choose the template that you want to apply. Click on the Create button. Now your template is created. And that's how you use default templates. In the upcoming lessons, we are going to discuss more about templates. Saving templates. You can develop a presentation that forms the basis of other presentations and use that presentation as a template. This can save you a great deal of work in creating settings you wish to use for every new presentation. You can save any file in a template format, .potx. To save a template you created for a PowerPoint 2007 slide presentation, here are the steps. Go to the Office button. Choose the Save As option. Click on Other Formats. Now, the Save As dialog box opens. Next, you need to change the Save As type to a PowerPoint template. To do that, click on the Save As Type pull-down list. It shows many formats. Choose PowerPoint Template from the list. Then, in the File Name box, enter the name of the template that you want to save. And finally, click the Save button. The template is saved in your computer. Remember, after you open a template, you need to save it as a regular PowerPoint 2007 presentation with a new name, so you don't overwrite the template with presentation-specific changes. Adding a new slide. It is easy to add a new slide in a template. If you want to add a slide, follow these steps. Go to the Home tab. Place the mouse in the Slides group. Click the New Slide command. The new slide is added. We can also add a new slide from an existing presentation. Here I am going to explain how to add one or more slides from a different presentation file. Do the following. Move the mouse pointer to the left side pane. It contains the Outline and Slides tabs. Make sure that you are in the Slides tab. Go to the Home tab. Move the mouse to the Slides group. Click the New Slide arrow button. It shows the gallery. In the bottom of the gallery, click on the Reuse Slides button. In the Reuse Slides pane, click Open a PowerPoint file. The Open dialog box appears. In the dialog box, select the presentation that you want to add. And finally, click the Open button. The slides are displayed as thumbnails from the opened presentation. Click on the thumbnail of the slide you want to add. The new slide is added. Headers and footers. We can create a slide with attractive text or graphics. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how to insert headers and footers in a slide. To add information such as slide numbers, the time and date, a company logo, the presentation title or file name, the presenter's name, and more to the top of each handout or notes page in your presentation, or to the bottom of each slide, handout, or notes page, use headers and footers. For adding header and footer, these are the steps. Go to the Insert tab. Place the mouse in the Text group. Then click Header and Footer. Now the Header and Footer dialog box is displayed. In the Header and Footer dialog box, on the Slide tab, select the Footer checkbox. Type your footer text in the given text box. To display footer information on the selected slide only, click on the Apply button. Headers are only applicable for notes and handouts. Arranging the slides. If our presentation has many slides, they can be viewed with the help of the Arrange All command. After learning this lesson, you will be experienced in working with PowerPoint windows. In this lesson, we will learn New Window, Arrange All, Cascade, Move Split, Switch Windows. All are presented in the View tab. Let's discuss this one by one. New Window. It opens a new window without changing the information. To do this, here are the steps. Go to the View tab. Place the mouse in the Window group. Click New Window. Now a new window is opened with the current slide. Arrange All. It arranges all the PowerPoint presentations in a single window. To use the Arrange All command, you must have more than one presentation open. Follow these slides to show the multiple presentations. Go to the View tab. Bring the mouse to the Windows group. Click on the Arrange All command. Now you can see all the presentations. Move Split. This command is used to move the splitters which separate the different sections of the window. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Move Split command. Click the View tab. In the Windows group, click on Move Split. When you finish, the mouse pointer has changed to a crosshair. Then use the arrow keys to move the splitters. When finished, press Enter to return to the presentation. The switch to Windows. The switch to Windows is mainly used to go to a particular window. If you want to work this option, you must have opened more than one presentation. Follow these steps to work the switch to window. Go to the View tab and click on the Switch to Windows option. The current presentation is displayed. If you want to go to another presentation, just click on it. The control will go to that presentation.